Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We started a discussion with the basic geometrical things, that is similar triangles, right? Then we discussed about coordinate geometry. We did few constructions, right? Today let us start a new chapter, that is tangents and secants to a circle. What are these tangents? What are these secants? Right? So let us have a basic discussion about what is a circle. Okay, circle bole to kya? Circle is a round figure having two dimensions, that is one center and one radius. Center bole to kya? Center is the middle point of the circle. ये radius क्या है? ये center से किसी भी साइड को लाइन ड्रॉ किए तो वो radius बनेगा. Okay, what is the radius? Radius is the distance between the center and any point of the circle, right? Which means this will be fixed throughout this circle. Yes, तो ये tangent क्या है, secant क्या है, right? Okay, before that, this is a radius. Yes, we learned. What is the diameter? Tell me. Diameter is double of radius. If this is center, this is diameter, which is 2r. Okay, let us say this as let us put it as O and P. Wherever we write center, let us write it as O. OP is, what is OP? Radius. What is PQ here? PQ is diameter. Okay, what are these tangents and secants? And before that, tell me, what is a chord? Chord bole to kya? Chord is some line segment inside the circle. Let us say some AB. Some line segment inside the chord, inside the circle is called as chord. Okay, which is the largest chord? The largest chord is diameter. इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं जाता ना? Is it right? Cool. What is a tangent means? A tangent of a circle is a straight line touching the circle at one and only one point. Once again, let me tell. A tangent is a line which is touching the circle at one and only one point. That is, xy is a tangent to this circle with center C, radius r. ओके, xy क्या है? xy ये सर्कल का tangent है. क्यों? ये एक ही पॉइंट P के पास ये सर्कल को मीट हो रहा. ओके, P क्या है? P को we'll call it as point of contact. Is it clear? What is P? P is the point of contact which is defined as the only point at which the circle and the tangent meets. Is it right? Did you understand? And one more condition you have to remember here, it is this radius is always perpendicular to this tangent xy. This is one of the most important thing you have to remember. Okay, next, ये secant क्या है? Secant is, we have seen all the conditions. Stacking up inside a line like this, that is a chord. A line touching the circle and passing away. What is the one more condition? A line which is passing through the circle and meeting the circle at 2 points. If this is xy and this is PQ of radius r, irrespective of the radius, it will not even think of it. That is nothing but secant. Here xy is secant. It is touching the circle at 2 points. We cannot say it as points of contact, but we tell it as passing through P and Q. Okay, shall we do few problems basing on this? Look at the question here. What is the question given? These are very simple questions. There is nothing difficulty and there is nothing new here. देखो इधर क्या दिए? Draw a circle and two parallel lines. एक circle draw करना first of all. Okay, let's do. Okay, एक circle draw करना. Whenever you draw a circle, remember there should be one center and one radius. समझ में आ गया ना? Done. To given line, two parallel lines to the given line. We don't know where is it. We have to draw two lines. क्या करना? दो parallel lines draw करना. And which is parallel to given line drawn outside the circle. Okay? एक line कहीं तो दिया हुआ है. उसका two parallel lines draw करना है. Such that one is tangent and another is secant of this सर्कल. क्या करना है? बाहर एक लाइन दिए तो इससे पैरेलल हुआ लाइंस को इसको ड्रॉ करना. कौन सा लाइंस? एक टैंजेंट है और एक सीकेंट. वी कैन ड्रॉ सीकेंट एनीवेयर. ओके ओके, दिस इज अ टैंजेंट which is touching the circle at one point. Let us assume this is x and this is some line AB drawn outside, and another line, this is tangent xy, and another line secant CD. Okay, what is here? AB is external line. The next xy is tangent and CD is secant. Is it right? Shall we do one more problem? See here. Prove that tangents to the circle at endpoints of diameter are parallel. Right? ये एक बड़ा सर्कल है तो इसका end points, let us say A, B. This is my center. Okay? ये end points में tangents draw किए तो यही end points में. I have to prove that these two lines are always parallel. How to do? Shall we do now? See here. This is again very simple, but the only thing is you have to know these basic kind of principles. Okay? देखो इधर. Let us draw a line from this like this, or else we can even draw one more line from this side. Is it okay? Now let us take this as some P, Q, R, S. Okay? What is given? Proof is given PQ and RS are tangents, right? AB is diameter. Okay? What we have to prove? RTP is PQ parallel to RS. Okay? Okay, let us construction क्या करेंगे? Join PS and QR. Okay? Now see here. This will be a kind of twist and very simple to understand. Let us take this triangle PAO. In order to find the proof, consider triangle PAO and BOS and triangle BOS. Okay? What is the rule? Whenever I see the tangent, I should remember that this tangent is always perpendicular to my radius. Here also you can specify it. Remember, whatever the tangent it is, that will be always perpendicular to the radius. Is it right? अब देखो इधर ये दोनों ट्राइंगलों में से OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Why? Because it is a radius. Obviously that will be same. And angle PAO is equal to angle SBO, which is 90 degrees. Okay? According to RHS congruency, if one angle is 90 degrees and any one of the base is equal, then obviously these both triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle BOS by RHS congruency. Is it clear? Then by CPCT I can write this angle is equal to this angle. Angle APO is equal to angle OSB. by CPCT. Now tell me if corresponding angles are equal, then I can tell that these two lines are parallel, right? Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS. Is it clear? Shall we see once again what is the question given? He is asking us to prove that the tangents of a circle at the ends of the diameter are always parallel. How do we do? That is, we will join these two and these two. Then we will consider these two triangles, triangle AOP and triangle BOS, where this is both are right angles and these both are radii. According to RHS congruency, in a right angle triangle, even if any one of the bases are equal, obviously both the triangles are congruent. Clear? Therefore, by CPCT I can write this angle P is equal to angle S. According to our rule, if this both are parallel, PS acts as a transversal, then only we can tell these both angles are equal. Okay? Is it clear? Fine. Shall we move on to the few more different kinds of problems of this chapter? Let's do. See here, these are the different and very important questions to understand in this chapter. Just look at the question. Once again, let me tell the very important point here. It is the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So here the question given here, it is a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle. Okay. Let us say there is a circle which is having a tangent PQ. Let us draw it very widely. Okay, then of radius 5 centimeters, let us say its radius is 5 centimeter from O. Okay, meets a line through center O at a point Q. Okay, this line meets a point Q. Once again, let me see here. This radius 5 centimeter meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is 13 centimeter. This OQ is 13 centimeter. Is asking us to find this length PQ. Okay, क्या है इधर ये radius 5 centimeter और ये distance from O to ये external point Q तक 13 centimeter. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? ये P से Q तक ये लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट को फाइंड आउट करना है. कैसा? If you observe here, this is 90 degrees. What is this triangle is? Right angle triangle. Therefore, here triangle OPQ is right angled triangle. Is it okay? Then according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to squares of adjacent sides, that is OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OQ square is 13 square, OP square is 5 square, PQ square is what we have to find. Okay, what is 13 square? 169. What is 5 square? 25. And then PQ square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 169 minus 25. What is 169 minus 25? That is 144. Therefore, PQ is root 144, which is PQ is 12 centimeter. Is it clear? क्या दिया उन्होंने? ये hypotenuse का value और यही radius का value. We have to find this PQ. Is it okay? Check out this next question. Calculate length of a tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of the circle of radius 9 centimeter. Okay. देखो इधर again same diagram. A circle, उसका tangent. Okay. Let us say this is O, P and Q. Let us draw these both. Okay. What is the question given? Calculate the length of a tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of circle. Okay. क्या दिया हुआ इधर? ये center of circle से 15 centimeter far एक point है. Somewhere this point Q. From this point a tangent is drawn as the radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. What we have to find now again? Length of a tangent. Is it okay? Fine. Therefore, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. What is OQ? 15 square. What is OP? 9 square plus PQ square. 15 square is 225. 9 square is 81 plus PQ square. Okay. Just send it this side. PQ square is equal to 225 minus 81. That is 144. This is PQ square. Again, PQ is square root of 144. Therefore, PQ is 12 centimeter. Did you understand this part of questions? Fine. Shall we do few more problems based on this kind? Let's do. Just tell me, how many tangents can I draw for a circle? बोलो, एक सर्कल्स को कितने tangents draw कर सकते हैं? एक सर्कल को tangent बोले तो कभी भी remember the tangent will be always perpendicular to a circle. I mean circle's radius. Okay? बोलो कितने tangents draw कर सकते हैं? इधर 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 इधर. We can draw anywhere, right? Which means any tangent, any circle can have infinite number of tangents, right? But based on the condition, they might change. Okay? First condition is, if I have only one point, external point, how many tangents can I draw from this point? Tell me. I can draw how many points? How many tangents? 2 tangents. This is one and this is one more tangent. Is it right? Therefore, I can draw 2 tangents from a fixed external point. Okay? And tell me, how many tangents can I draw from 2 points? Tell me, can I draw if I have some point here? Right? I'll obviously get this side one tangent and this side one tangent, right? Can I have any common tangent from 2 points? No, right? We'll have only one tangent from a fixed point. Is it right? How many tangents can a circle have? It can have infinite tangents. How many tangents can a circle have from a fixed point? That is only 2. Okay? Did you understand? Then what are the things we have to remember? That is, for example, if this is A and if this is B, then the length of tangent from P to A and the length of a tangent from P to B are always equal. The tangents drawn from a fixed external point are always equal. Is it okay? Okay. Then what about the angles? There is an origin here, I mean center. Right? We know that these both are 90 degrees. Yes. If I draw a line joining this PO, okay, can you see these both triangles? I mean, will this line divides this whole angle into 2 equal parts? Yes or no? How can we say? If I consider triangle POA and triangle POB, tell me here PO is equal to PO, which is a common side, OA is equal to OB, right? And not only that, I am telling that from the fixed side, from fixed point, the length of a tangent to the circles are always equal. Therefore, PA is equal to PB. Is it okay? Therefore, both the triangles are congruent. Obviously, by CPCT, these two angles are equal, which means PO is a bisector of this APB angle. Can you understand this thing? Fine. Okay, let us have an example of to prove this. You have this question in your book also. If I have a tangent like this, if I have a tangent like this, let me draw O, A, B and P. Okay. What if one of the angle is given? See here, if I tell this as 110, can I find this value? How to do? Here ABPO is a quadrilateral. If it is a quadrilateral, what is the condition? Sum of all angles is equal to 360, that is angle O plus angle B plus angle P plus angle A is always 360. Is it okay? What is angle O? 110 degrees. What is angle B? What is angle B? Isn't it 90? What is angle P? X. What is angle A? 90. That is equal to 360. 110 plus 90 plus 90. How much is it? 180, 190, 290 plus x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 290. That is x is equal to, how much is it? 70 degrees. Right? What if they ask you to find out half of this, that is angle OPA, that is half of my x, that will be 35 degrees. Is it right? Will you be able to do this kind of problems? Yes or no? Clear? Shall we move on to the next thing? Clear. These are the basic things which you have to remember for tangents and secants of a circle. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of tangents and secants to a circle. Thank you.